Hi friends, this is Sri from Techie Talks AI. Imagine this, an AI agent has just figured out something valuable, something it wants to store, something it believes should be saved forever. But right before it pulls the trigger, it freezes. Why? Because this time you are in the loop. Today we are diving into one of the most important patterns in modern AI systems, the human in the loop agent, where machines generate, evaluate, plan, but ultimately must ask a human for approval before taking irreversible action. And the coolest part, it doesn't just ask, it pauses execution, exposes its reasoning, and waits for a verdict, approve or reject. This pattern is how we build AI agents that can operate safely in finance, medicine, defense, DevOps, and even corporate compliance without causing chaos. In this breakdown, I'll show you how the entire workflow is stitched together from planning, confirmation, execution, long-term memory, all wrapped in a tiny Python script. Let's open the hood. So let's look at the script first, and then we'll run it. This is typical Agno framework library import. Here we are defining a SQLite database, and then we are also defining learnings knowledge base, which is a vector database using ChromaDB. For the agent storage, we have SQLite, and then for learnings, we have the RAG vector database. So this vector database is going to get populated selectively with human in the loop. That is the idea. And how do we do it? We are defining a save learning method here, but with a unique decorator. We are seeing such a decorator for the first time. Add tool, which makes it a tool that can be used with agents. But we are specifying requires underscore confirmation. That is the key. Let's see how the agent makes use of it. So first thing is to define the save learning function. It can be any other tool. Only thing is you need to have the decorator at tool requires underscore confirmation. And in this function, all we are doing is we are inserting the knowledge into the knowledge base. Here we have the instructions for the agent. Now here we are saying, in the instructions we are saying, user will be asked to confirm before it is saved. Okay, so let's see. This is where we define the agent. Agent definition, there is nothing new that we haven't seen before. Name, model, instructions from the top. Then the tools. In the tools, we are adding save learning. That is the tool that we saw before with requires confirmation. So we will see how this is used. This is where we are calling the agent for the first time. What is the healthy PE ratio for tech stocks? Save that insight. See, we are requesting the agent to save the insight. When the agent comes back, we will print the response on the screen. Here we are checking in the response if there are any active requirements. If that active requirements is present, we will iterate through the requirements, and requirements needing confirmation will be identified, and then we print yes or no confirmation on the screen for the human to validate the insight. Clear? So that is what is happening here. Do you want to continue? So adding human in the loop is as simple as this to your agents. So let's run and see it's working. This is the script. This link to the document will be given in the description. And run.sh is my Python environment. Okay, so see here, this is the response, healthy PE ratio from the agent, but agent is not saving this in the st- database. It is asking confirmation required, tool save underscore learning. Here is the learning. Do you want to continue? So if you say yes, it's saying adding content from tech sector P valuation benchmark into the database. You can ignore the Gemini API key warning because in the .env I have Google API key and Gemini API key. Both are same. You only need one. Okay, so here it says, great that insight is now stored in your knowledge base for future reference. Let's see the case where we say no. Okay, so here is the response, and it says confirmation required. And if we say no this time, it's saying see rejected. So now we have seen it, a full human in the loop pipeline where the agent generates insights, pauses at the critical moment, hands control to a human, and only then commits to long term memory. This is how we build agents that don't just do things but do the right things with the right guardrails and with humans still holding the keys. And here is the twist. Once you combine HITL, that is human in the loop, with chunk knowledge bases, agent handoffs, and evaluators, you're only a few steps away from real enterprise grade automation systems. In the next videos, we're going to change these patterns, RAG, HITL, tool guardrails, evaluators, audit logs to form predictable self-improving AI workflows. If you are building agents for finance, healthcare, legal, or compliance, this is the playbook. See you in the next deep dive. Please remember to like, share, and give your valuable comments where you will apply these patterns. Future belongs to those who learn fast. Mentor Expert gives you personalized, expert driven support in AI, automation, and modern tech. Upgrade your skills instantly.